Hey friends, Melissa here, and I'm coming in for a little motivation today on this Friday. And the journal prompt that I put on the business page about Friday journaling was to be able to write down the positive things that you've experienced so far in 2020. What are they? And I know we quickly go to the negative things because that's just us humans being humans. And I just wanted to empower you with a little insight of what are those things that have been proven to be a positive change or effect on yourself, your family, your life, your business, your work, all of that. Because when we can get really clear about things that are positive, we raise our vibration. And when we raise our vibration, our energy level, feeling good, that happiness, that joy, we call in more of that for ourselves. When we meditate on that negative, lower vibration, complaining and just not understanding why and why is this happening to me and how come now, then we bring in more of that. So I want to challenge you today is to really get clear on what are some of the things that you have found to be positive in this time of shutdown, in this pandemic that we experience, because the next 3 months of this year is going to be your opportunity to flip the script and reframe what it is that you believe is all the negative, because by putting the positive in place, you're going to be able to create more energetically high ideas, experiences, and opportunities that will align beautifully with where you're at. But if you stay in that negative pond, that water down there, that deep, dark water, you're only going to get more of that. And I know that to be true. So if you'd like to share below, please do so. If you need to ask me any questions or have comments, I would love to have that 20 to 30 minute conversation with you. You can message me and we'll make that happen. But for now, I'm sending you tons of love, lots of light. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye for now.